Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to draw trend lines on TradingView. It's pretty easy to do. All you need to do is obviously load up your TradingView and you press this little button here, the little line tool, and then you'll just line up the highs and the lows. It depends what style of trend lines you like to do, but you can just make it nice and clean there. I often go for the the high points, which is what I focus on, rather than dotting up every single high. It just gives me a better understanding of where price potentially could go, where it's been, of course. And what this will do is give you a better understanding of the range of the currency or asset that you're looking at. And then obviously you can anticipate a push back down to previous lows, or indeed a push back up to new highs. But there's another way of doing trend channels and trend lines, but again, you just take your tool and you jot up the lines. It's as simple as that. As you can see, the points connect and they are respected, and again, it can just give you a better understanding of where price may go. But again, the tool is here, the trend line tool. And you've got info line, lots of different tools here that can give you more information. But yeah, the info line is also a great tool to use if you want to measure how many pips, price has moved, for example. And this just gives you an understanding, like I say, of what may happen in the markets. And anyone that wants a deposit bonus, go to my description right now. Anyone that signs up to IronFX is going to be getting a bonus instantly. So whatever you deposit, it will be doubled and we'll give you a bonus. So go to the description right now, sign up to IronFX and enjoy your funding. It's as simple as that.